Model 2018 Iveco Daily 35S142.36 speed Luton box van starts runs needs repair Euro 6 No Vat body, white, Luton, box mileage, 117,000 MOT. The 30th of June 2026 engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 411JC transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, exhaust and DPF are missing, the engine still starts fine but is shaking, misfiring. We think the engine is down on compression, engine needs repairing or replacing. Grin condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, tailift in working order, Euro status, Ulez compliant HPI, clear cap retail, 8,900.